wish you a very joyful afternoon, a joyful day. A lot of information will be spread over you. I hope you can manage to store it all and process it.
Today I'm here as a lead of 4TU.Energy Transition in Building hackathon and workshop event to gather people together across 4 technical universities in the Netherlands and also beyond the 4TU University, because we also have experts from industry, from government. We are together here to make effort to make the energy system more sustainable. Of course, I'm contributing my expertise, especially in the heat pump technologies, working on the iotropic mixture refrigerant.
And my main research field is in refrigeration and heat pump systems on industrial scale. So I work a lot on the development of working fluid mixtures, optimization of cycle designs. I'm invited here to present a Danish perspective on the development of district heating heat pumps and how district heating heat pumps have been used in the transition towards a decarbonized and electrified district heating system in Denmark.
I'm a professor of thermal conversion and storage, and as a member of the management team of 4TU Center for Energy, I'm very happy to see this initiative is being a success. And I hope such networking events, such collaborative events help us to pass through this stage and to achieve us what we have in mind.
But our electricity network is full. So what I would like to do here is to see if we can integrate also innovative solutions with buildings to be able to do 2 things at the same time and not just wait for the electrical network to be.
If I tell now mistakes about people who are actually doing installations, I don't want to blame them, I want to blame the system behind.
My background is mostly on stability and control of power converter based systems, power converters and power converter dominated grids. The topic is about how microgrids could help with this energy transition.
And I work now for 7 years for the municipality, and when I started by the municipality I thought I am only working in data, human rights, energy transition.
District heating company called Natuurlijk. And Natuurlijk has throughout the Netherlands a number of heating grids, and here in Enschede we have an equivalent of 25,000 households we supply heat to.
My research bridged this gap by developing data-informed decision-making methods, models and systems, and allowing the urban stakeholders to work together to prototype policies, anticipate risks and make more sustainable energy transition.
Should be enriched with new strategies, with applying new algorithms, with applying of course machine learning, adaptiveness and predictiveness in the system.
It's not only electrical engineering, it's more and more algorithms, AI, but also heating systems, and this is why it's very important to...
I aim to develop a resilient and energy-efficient energy system in urban environment.
Ideas and particularly what makes their idea unique.